With Nevada, California, New York and Florida, it's no surprise that North Carolina isn't the first place a tourist would put on their itinerary when coming to America. With Carowinds behind me, could this be the reason for you to visit the Carolinas after all? After a bit of awkwardness this morning going through security with my backpack, we have made it. We're here, we're in Carowinds, and we're heading to Vortex. Vortex seems like a ride that's a little bit smaller than the main attractions, but it still looks cool, so it'll be a good one to warm up on first thing this morning. Oh, and there's no queue either. Done a little bit of research on this park. It looks like there's 11 roller coasters, so there's going to be plenty to keep us occupied for the 12 hours that we're here. Fury 325 is up next, and there's a 15-minute queue. Does look very similar to Mako in Orlando. Oh, I can't wait for this one. Oh man, Fury 325 was amazing. You can even see all the way across to Charlotte downtown. It's just awesome. Anyhow, we're now heading in here to get some lunch. It's the Jukebox Diner. Let's go have me a burger. You know I'm all about a great deal. Here at Carowinds today we've got an all-day dining offer, which is all you can eat. You can basically eat every 90 minutes for just $31. And it doesn't include a drink, which is rather annoying, but thankfully I bought my water bottle with me, so, or you can just purchase another drink for like, I think it's like $8 or something like that. I mean, $8 for me, that's quite extreme for a Diet Coke. I'd rather just go with my water, if I'm honest with you. Weather today is extremely hot. It's already 30 degrees and it's not even lunchtime. It's gonna hit 35 today. It's probably a good idea I put some cream on my face. Hamburger consumed and sun cream applied. It's time to go and get on the Flying Cobra. And it's right here. Backwards. Christ. Let's go give it a go. That was a good one. Definitely made my stomach go a little bit. Be hoping I'm not going to see that burger again. Yeah, we're going on the Gold Rusher now. It's like a wooden roller coaster, a little bit older, but we'll see how it goes. Not the scariest ride by any means, but nice to get some GoPro shots, of course. Now we're going to go to the equivalent of Zodiac at Fort Park. I'm not really too sure on the name, and yeah, we'll try and get this on there as well. So sure about this. I really do not like these. What's the... Ah, it's going. Thought the ride was broken. Here we go. I am so glad that's done. Let's go get some pizza. very good job that this place has a water park that we'll be heading to soon. First of all, it's this one. Just about commences our time in the theme park this afternoon. We're now going to be heading over there to the water park until closing. We've got about 2 hours, so let's go make the most of it. Spent an hour and a half queuing for this ride. Wasn't a complete waste of time, don't get me wrong, it was good, but an hour and a half for one water slide. Crazy. As I mentioned, today has been an extremely hot day. It's nice of Carowinds to offer some free refreshments. Not sure why it's so dark, but our time here at the Carolina Harbour Water Park is finished. Got a couple of hours left and it'll be time to go home. This ride you can see behind me is the Carolina Cyclone, open to the public in 1980. That makes this ride 44 years old, and we're about to go and test it out with a GoPro right now.
When you let me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? 'Cause when you let me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? 'Cause when you let me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? 'Cause when you let me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? 'Cause when you let me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? 'Cause when you let me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? 'Cause when you let me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? 'Cause when you let me, baby, don't you see I'm shining?
Just like that, our day here at Carowinds has come to an end. For 11.5 hours we've been in these gates, but it's time to go back to the resort and, the hotel. It's a hotel. Something I wanted to share that I thought you'd find quite cool is currently here at Carowinds, we're in North Carolina. We're now going to walk for 15 minutes back to our hotel that's in South Carolina. So we're about to cross the state border, walking to our hotel. I guess that's why they call this the theme park that connects the Carolinas, because that's literally what it is. It brings them together. We are in both pretty much at the same time. What a day we've had here today, though. I think we can both agree. Had a wonderful time. And yeah, that's going to be all for now, but I'll catch up with you about it tomorrow when we're back at the hotel. Not the resort, the hotel.
When